Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to update your Windows 11 to version 25H2 on your Windows 11 computer because of this error code that is 0x80004005. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to use Windows 11 installation assistant. So you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Here you can see Windows 11 installation assistant. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow, and over here if you see update option or install option, you can install it from here and then check. Now still not working, then go to Windows settings, go to Windows update over here, and over here you can see pause option. Hit pause, and once it is paused, now hit resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Scroll down at the bottom somewhere you will find Windows update. Make a double click on Windows update over here. Set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows update and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service. Make a double click. Set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click and then click on restart. Now find app readiness. Make a double click on app readiness. Set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click on app readiness. Click on restart. Now you can check. Still not working. The next step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box. Make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you open command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. In my case it is already done. Once done, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Now once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command and paste it on the same window, and once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can update. Still not working. The next step is to use fix problems using Windows Update. So go to Windows Update in Windows settings, advanced option, scroll down, click on recovery. Over here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, you restart your computer. After the system restart, you will see the repair version of version 24H2. Once this is done, now you can try to update to version 25H2. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down here, you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Now once you run the exe file, click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. Save it to desktop. Save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once it is done, click on finish option and then let it close automatically. Do not close this manually. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once done, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app will be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then hit install. This will take some time, and once the installation is complete, now restart your computer and then you can check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to update your Windows 11 to version 25H2. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.